Yes, I've been in the kitchen for the past hour or so cooking soup. This is chicken soup that I've cooked from the point of putting in the chicken and then pumpkin. Leave that for half an hour. And then I put my chocho, my carrots, 20 minutes, then sweet potato dumplings. You understand? I'm gonna leave it for another half an hour because I've just seasoned it with some all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna put a green pepper with scallion and thyme in a little while, but I'm just gonna let it simmer down for a little bit. Tasha, come here, sweetheart. But what I'm really interested in is all that. I've purchased this is £20 in money worth of oxtail. It might not look like you understand? But hold on, because I'm gonna have to wash it first before I season it. Alright? So come over this side, let me show you how to wash oxtail. Come. So the first thing you do, you run the tap on it. Run the tap on it and let. Understand? You're gonna wash it thoroughly. Just have a look at that water. You see? You see all that's coming off it? That's why you have to wash it thoroughly. Wash it again with some vinegar. I'm gonna pour some vinegar on it. Hold on. Pour some vinegar on it and wash it again. Then you throw that off. Oops, sorry. You throw that off there. And I'm gonna put some lime on it. And put some lime, squeeze the lime in it. Yeah? Hold that part with the other hand. Yeah. Are you okay? Huh?
Yeah.
Alright, then I wash that off. And then I'm ready now to season it up. Okay, drain off the water. You drain it off, yeah? That should be thoroughly washed now. Come over this side. So I'm getting ready for Sunday dinner tomorrow. That's what this is about. Alright? So the first thing I do, I'm gonna put some all-purpose seasoning on it. Yeah. Put some all-purpose seasoning. This is all-purpose because it's good for everything. It's even good for soup, rice and peas. You understand? All this like that. Yeah. And I'm gonna put some garlic powder on it. Yeah. That should be enough. Then I'm gonna put some black pepper. I'm cutting down on my seasoning nowadays. You understand me? I'm not putting too much on it. That's black pepper. Yeah? Then I'm gonna put some chili lemon seasoning. Keep the phone still. Yeah. chili lemon seasoning, then some garlic coriander seasoning. Stand there. Then I'm gonna put a bit of browning on it because tomorrow I'm gonna brown stew it. You understand? So I'm gonna leave this overnight. When I do all that now, the next thing that I'm gonna do is cut this onion. Stay there. Come, put it. Yeah. I don't think I need all this onion, so. Onion is covered, so I don't have to worry about washing onions because it come covered. You understand? But things like pepper, scallion, onion, and things like that you have to wash. You always have to wash them. So when I season this up now, it will be all ready for tomorrow. Alright, so I'm going to put this in. Put that there. You can hold that with the other hand. Hold that with your other hand. Yeah. Come on. So, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to season this. Season it up, rub it up together. Rub it up, rub it up. Oops. The smell of I could put some garlic in it as well, but I'm going to leave that for when I'm cooking it down tomorrow. So this is all seasoned and ready. Hold on. Yeah. Let me wash my hand. I'm coming. All seasoned and ready to be cooked tomorrow. You stay right there. You ready for some soup, Tasha? You ready for some soup now, or you're gonna have a shower first?
I'm gonna have a shower first.
Okay. Right, so this is more or less it, isn't it? Alright, darling. So this is all seasoned and ready for tomorrow. For tomorrow dinner. So I'm gonna clean up the chicken over there now. We're expecting guests tomorrow, so yes. All ready. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge now and let it season. When it stay overnight, once you put it to cook, it will taste much better. So I'll catch you same time, same place tomorrow when I shall be doing rice and peas and oxtail with butter beans. And these are the beans that I'm going to be using. Butter beans. Dunn's River butter beans. But I'll put these in further to the end. So keep watching and enjoy. Keep subscribing. Have a great evening. Bye.